all are having an amazing day. So I'm super excited because, as you can see from the title, today we have an exclusive sneak peek of the November 2019 Pin Culture earring and scrunchie set. So I am actually really excited because there are two variations to this month, and I have both to show you. So yay! All right, so I'm going to tell you a little bit about this set with Pin Culture, and then we will get into seeing what exactly it is for November. So Pin Culture is a hair accessory subscription. There are actually like 11 different plans, you guys, down to literally just like bobby pins on up. So there's something for every budget and every hair need. I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up. All of their plans do have free shipping, which I think is amazing. Now, I do want to also say that I do have a promo code right now. It is good through the end of this month, and it is Fall Southern Mom, and it will get you 20% off, but it will also get the first 10 people that use it a free purple ribbon tie with a blue bead, and that has a $7 value. So not only are you going to save 20%, you're going to get that free ribbon tie with the blue bead that has a $7 value. So that is super awesome. Now, the earring and scrunchie set, you're going to receive a curated and coordinated set of earrings and scrunchies, and they are hypoallergenic earrings, which I think is fantastic. Now, it is $11.25 is what it starts at, and the value for this month for both different, because like I said, there's two different sets that I'm going to show you. Each set has a $20 value. Also, you will, while supplies last, with that code, you will also be receiving their second anniversary pin as well. So I think that is fantastic. But let's get in here and see exactly what the sneak peek for November for the earring and scrunchie set is. I have shown you guys quite a few of their different subscriptions, but this one I haven't seen or I haven't shown you before, so I'm really excited. And scrunchies, I just said this in a different video, but scrunchies are making a comeback, y'all. Like, for real, they really are making a comeback. So, but this is the bag. Isn't it cute? The mailer bags are always so cute. And new orders, just so you know, also right now are shipping out within 3 days. So the shipping is extremely fast. And I don't know about you guys, but I really appreciate that. All right, so okay. She always wraps everything so nicely. So we have our two different sets, and this, I believe, is the bonus that you would receive. So we'll just start with that. Yes. So with my code, not only, again, will you get 20% off, you will also receive this cute ribbon tie right here with the bead, and it is gorgeous. And I love ribbon ties. They honestly are my favorite because they don't crease your hair or anything, and that is just gorgeous. That is so pretty. So you would get this free in addition to saving 20%. And while supplies last, the second anniversary pin as well. But let's get started. We have the two different variations, so you would only get one, but I have both of them to show you so you know what one of your choices, or one of your, if you order, what you're gonna get either way. So we will start with this one. Y'all, it is like for real storming like crazy. All right, so here we have the information card. Thank you so much for subscribing to the Scrunchie and Earrings box. I hope you enjoy your coordinating scrunchie and set of earrings. This month's scrunchie is valued at $9 and the earrings are valued at $11. So it does have a total retail value of $20. All right, so here is our scrunchie. This is cute. I like this. How it has like the extra I like that. And I like that it's a darker color because we are obviously getting into winter and fall, but it's kind of sheer at the same time. I like that. I really like how it's darker here and then lighter. That's fun. And then we have, oh, these are pretty. It's a pair of stud earrings in a little bag. Y'all, these are so pretty. Those are like gorgeous. And then you have the backing like that. And like I said, all the earrings are hypoallergenic, so that's great. But those are really, really pretty. So that is one option that you could receive. So let's take a look at the second. I really like that scrunchie and those earrings. It's gorgeous. All right. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. I don't know which one I like better. Okay. So the card says the same thing. The scrunchie for this one is valued at $7 and the earrings at $13. So this again, like I said, both are valued at $20. So again, we have like a navy blue. This is the scrunchie. I love scrunchies like this with the little extra dangle, y'all. And it's like a really pretty textured fabric. I love that. But these earrings, these are so beautiful. And these are definitely, to me, like with the holidays coming up, these are like holiday earrings, in my opinion. So gorgeous. But when you want to be a little extra glamorous for the holidays, y'all, look at those earrings. So beautiful. I love those so much. With like a black dress, some like really pretty like neutral makeup, but like a red lip. Yes. All right, so we have this set of earrings with this scrunchie as one option for this month. Or you have this scrunchie, which is so cute, and these gorgeous earrings as the other option. So when you subscribe, you will get one of these sets. Again, if you use my promo code, which I will put down below along with the link to Pin Culture, you will receive not only 20% off, you will also receive this super beautiful ribbon tie and their limited edition 2nd anniversary pin while supplies last. So let me know what you guys think. Which set was your favorite? Was it the dangly scrunchie set or the regular scrunchie? Again, both pairs of earrings I think are really, really gorgeous. Let me know your thoughts down below. I can't wait to hear what you guys think. And like I said, that link and promo code will be down below as well. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.